Step 1. Understand the form of the limit.
As x approaches 0, tangent x approaches 0, x squared approaches 0. So the expression becomes 0 over 0. This is an indeterminate form, so we must simplify.
Step 2. Rewrite using a known standard limit.
Recall the important limit. Limit of tangent x over x as x approaches 0 equals 1. Now, rewrite the expression. 3 tangent x squared x over 2x squared is equals to 3 over 2 times tangent squared x over x squared.
Step 3. Express as a square.
Tangent squared x over x squared is equals to the quantity tangent x over x squared. So the limit becomes 3 over 2 times the quantity of tangent x over x squared.
Step 4. Apply the standard limit.
Since limit of tangent x over x as x approaches 0 is equals to 1, then the quantity of tangent x over x squared approaches 1 squared equals to 1.
Step 5. Final calculation.
3 over 2 times 1 is equals to 3 over 2. So the final answer is 3 over 2.